Hi, Southern Concrete Raising. I hope you're doing well today. My name is AJ with AJ Marketing Solutions here in the Houston and surrounding areas. And I just wanted to get this video sent over to you to show you how you guys can adjust some of the things y'all are doing online currently in order to start getting more people to y'all's website and converting those people into actual paying customers. The reason I do this for local businesses is because I want to share some information so that you can improve and get more traffic and business through the door. Some things we'll be looking at specifically are content, backlinks, and citations. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. We've got your website, southernconcreteraising.com. It's not a bad looking site. It has a lot of pictures. It has good bones to it. It has some dialogue on here as well. We could use some more content on homepage, on the different subsequent pages as well, like the service pages and everything. What this means is you don't have enough wording that people searching for concrete work done in your area are looking for. Google loves content, and what I've seen with my experience is that you should have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page of your website and about 750 words on each of the other pages, which also depends on your competition's website. We also want a lot of keywords in your content. A keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. The goal is to place keywords throughout your website to tell Google exactly what words you want your website found for. And one way we can find keywords that we really want to have in our website is through something like this paid tool I use called Ahrefs. Up here. You can use a paid tool like that, but I highly recommend reaching out to me because your time and money is valuable. If we look at your keywords here, for southernconcreteraising.com, that website, when I put it in, I see you have 303 keywords. So I know that you got some work done, meaning that I know that you've put some work into it. Here it also talks about the traffic flow that's coming into your website. On your keywords specifically, it shows that you have keywords like Houston concrete leveling, which generally has 200 people coming into that one keyword globally. But for your website, it comes about 25 visits per month that you have just for that one Houston concrete leveling keyword when people search it on Google. Another keyword that's ranking higher for you is Southern Concrete Raising, which is very specific. Concrete leveling Houston is a very generic keyword, which is also getting you about 15 visits to your website per month. Same idea. I got two competitors here, leveled concrete and Houston Concrete, Bill Houston Concrete Construction. For level concrete, this person, when putting their website in, has 937 visits per month. He has 1.2K keywords in his website alone. It's a lot of keywords. Also leveled concrete, Houston Concrete Leveling, level concrete. So different variations of the same keyword get you that kind of traffic. 139 visits just on level concrete alone. If I go to HoustonConcrete.com, put that into my tool, they have less keywords, 283, but each keyword has its own weight. Each keyword has its own traffic flow. They have 1.6K visits per month to their website because they're doing something right here. And I'm here to help you to get you, let's go back real quick, to get you much more calls per month. When you use me, I'm here to make your business more profitable. Now let's take a look at another thing that Google looks at. It's called backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others directing traffic for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins, or in our case, the winner has the most websites pointing at them. However, not all links are created equal. Backlinks that are relevant to your industry and local websites will work best for you. We're going to go back to your stats on Google using this tool, Ahrefs, to figure out how many backlinks you guys have and how many your competitors have as well. And once again, you can do this yourself, but if you use me, who has an expertise in this area, it'll save you a lot of time, money, and hassle. Going to your backlinks here, 286 backlinks. That's great. That's a great number. People that are pointing to your website, you see amazingfloors.com. You see signalhire.com, so forth and so on. If I go to your competitors, they have less backlinks than you do, but once again, they're not created equally. So if they have more weight, if they are trusted more, then they level up more as well. If I go to the other competitor, which has all this traffic, they have even less backlinks pointing to them, which means that they're just putting more into higher leveling backlinks than somebody with just a whole bunch of backlinks that are coming from all kinds of different places. Now we're going to go over citations. If I go back to where it all started from, somebody searches concrete contractors in Houston. If you go on Google, you'll see further down, you see this map right here. It's called a map pack. With that map pack, you have 3 top competitors here for the concrete business, and they're all in the Houston area. They are ranking higher. Once you get past this map pack, going further, you see that there's the first several names are organic traffic. Houston Concrete is one. Yelp is not necessarily a competitor. Concrete Network, Angie's List are not your competitor, but they have some weight because they have a lot of following as well. App Concrete, yeah, that's one of the competitors as well. A citation is anywhere you have your business name, number, and address as they're shown exactly per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local businesses since they can generate huge amounts of revenue. Going back, this right here is called Google My Business or a Google Business Profile, and you have one of those as well, I believe. Citations also include directories like Yelp and Better Business Bureau, where you have yourself listed in both of those. We could get your ratings higher and or just get more reviews in general. Google likes a lot of reviews. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above them. Once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it. And once again, it's looking at 1.6K of traffic flow per month. By generating that kind of traffic to their website and Google Business Profile, let's say their conversion rate of people actually calling their business was just about 10%. 10% of 1,600 is 160. And if they close business deals at around 50% of those 160 calls, which is common for local businesses from this type of traffic, Bill Houston Concrete Construction is probably closing somewhere around 70 to 80 jobs per month just from their online presence alone. Not sure what your sales goals are, but I imagine 70 to 80 jobs per month would generate some pretty decent sales. So this is what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video for you to help you start generating leads online. If you do find yourself wanting more business to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information. Or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Whether you use me or someone else, at the end of the day, I just want to help out local businesses. It's a big passion of mine. Also, if you could, please leave some feedback about this video or information provided today. Again, my name is AJ, and feel free to reach out as my door is always open. My phone number is 281-851-6265, and my email is ajms4uyou@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helps, and have a great day.